I have beautiful flowers. It's been a while, so let me take you through days in my life vlog. Today, another adventure. So on this day, I visited the trampoline park with my friend, and you can see there are many activities that we did, so stay tuned.
Rock climbing.
Wait a minute.
All right, now here we go.
Used a self-service machine at KFC.
So my friend and I visited this restaurant in Nairobi called By the Garden, and we both had these salads. They were perfect, 10 over 10. Drum rolls, please. Yep, that was the outfit of the day. Can you guess what I was saying? I was saying that the salad is 10 over 10. There were lots of background noises, so I decided to mute the video. But anyway, enjoy the mukbang. I'm so excited. I have this package from Jumia. Let's get straight into unboxing it.
Checking whether it's the right shade.
We have the right shade. So in this side, I don't have any makeup, and on this side, I have the foundation only.
Testing whether the foundation transfers. Just a tiny bit came off.
I got some beautiful flowers and I'm going to show you how I usually store them so they can last for a long time. They came with this beautiful note that says, "May you forever be blooming with grace." And I'm going to use this flower food and bleach to keep the bacteria away. And I'm also going to use, obviously, water. So you're going to mix the flower food, the bleach or vinegar with your water, and you're going to trim the stems of the flowers at 45 degrees angle.
Let's go for a morning walk.
Outfit of the day.
Thank you for watching. Bye.